Your favorite drink is poisoning you, and the government knows. That sweet, chewy boba you love? It's been found to contain lead. A new Consumer Reports investigation tested popular bubble tea chains like Gongcha and Kung Fu Tea and found lead in every single sample. The contamination comes from the cassava root used to make the tapioca pearls, which absorbs heavy metals from the soil. But here's where it gets scary. This isn't just a few bad batches, it's a systemic problem. So why isn't anyone stopping it? The FDA's acceptable lead levels are notoriously high, a standard heavily influenced by food industry lobbyists. They're prioritizing profits over your health, allowing known toxins in your food because recalling everything would be too expensive. You're paying to be slowly poisoned, and they are getting away with it.
A celebrity pundit is claiming a global pandemic was an ethnic bioweapon. Tucker Carlson is pushing a wild conspiracy theory that COVID-19 was engineered to spare Jewish people. On his show, he platformed a so-called expert who claimed this is scientifically true, causing a massive uproar. This kind of dangerous misinformation spreads like wildfire, making people distrust doctors and science. But who actually benefits when you stop trusting your doctor? It's not who you think. The alternative medicine and supplement industry. They thrive on fear and distrust of mainstream medicine. By promoting conspiracy theories, they create a market for their own unproven, unregulated, and often dangerous products. They're not selling health, they're selling fear, and business is booming. It's a playbook that makes them billions while you get sicker. And it's working perfectly.
Everyone's obsessed with dairy, claiming it's the secret to health. Raw milk challenges, cottage cheese, everything, $15 billion market. But the dairy industry is dying, so they partnered with supplements. They fund influencers to rebrand milk as superfood. Then sell you whey protein at massive markup. It's not a health trend, it's marketing to save a dying industry.
Millions are slathering their faces in Vaseline, but they have no idea what's really in it. The viral TikTok trend slugging promises glass skin by using petroleum jelly as an overnight mask. It's a gay beauty hack that has taken over the internet, with dermatologists divided on whether it's a miracle cure or a recipe for disaster. Everyone is trying it, but no one is asking where petroleum jelly actually comes from. You think you're just putting a simple, safe product on your face, but the truth is much dirtier. Petroleum jelly is a byproduct of the oil refining industry. The stuff you're putting on your face is literally the bottom of the barrel gunk from the same process that makes gasoline. While cosmetic grade is highly refined, the skincare industry took industrial waste, packaged it, and sold it back to you as a beauty secret.
Jennifer Aniston's favorite wellness product is a complete scam. Vital Proteins, the celebrity-endorsed collagen brand, is being sued for false advertising. The lawsuit claims the company makes misleading claims about its benefits, which are not backed by science. For years, we've been told that adding this powder to our smoothies will give us perfect skin and joints, all because our favorite celebrities swear by it. But why are so many A-listers promoting a product with such flimsy evidence? The supplement industry is almost completely unregulated by the FDA. This means companies can pay celebrities millions to promote products with unproven claims and face almost no consequences. They're not selling a health product, they're selling access to a celebrity lifestyle. And the FDA lets them get away with it. You're paying for marketing, not results. It's a legal lie.
a Real Housewife just lost millions on her business, and it exposes a dark secret of the beauty industry. RHOSLC's Whitney Rose revealed she lost a massive amount of money on her skincare line, Wild Rose Beauty. We see celebrities launch beauty brands all the time, assuming they're making a fortune. But the reality is that most of these ventures fail. They're incredibly expensive to start with huge costs for sourcing ingredients, manufacturing, and marketing. But where does all that money actually go? It goes to a handful of massive pharmaceutical and chemical companies that own the patents and manufacturing for almost all cosmetic ingredients. They create a system where it's nearly impossible for independent brands to succeed. These celebrity lines aren't real businesses. They're just temporary marketing channels for the same few mega corporations that control the entire industry.
The way you cook your food is making you age faster. A viral anti-aging cooking trick is exposing how high-heat methods like grilling and frying create harmful compounds called AGEs. These compounds, advanced glycation end products, are linked to inflammation, disease, and accelerated aging. People are now changing how they cook, opting for lower heat methods to protect their health. But if this is so well known, why are most of the foods we buy designed to be cooked at high heat? The processed food industry intentionally designs products like frozen fries and breaded chicken to be convenient for high heat cooking, knowing the risks. Why? Because it makes their cheap ingredients taste better. They're sacrificing your long-term health for their short-term profits. And who profits from the chronic diseases that result? The pharmaceutical industry. It's a perfect, profitable cycle.
Your favorite influencers are being arrested, and it's part of a global conspiracy. In Vietnam, a wave of celebrity and influencer arrests is exposing a dark side of the creator economy. These influencers, known for their flashy lifestyles, are being taken down for fraud and promoting illegal products. This isn't just happening in Vietnam. It's a global phenomenon. The pressure to stay relevant and make money is immense. But who is really pulling the strings behind these influencer empires? It's often large multinational corporations, including pharmaceutical and supplement companies. They use influencers in countries with lax regulations as a backdoor to market their products, often with unproven or illegal claims. They create a system of plausible deniability, where the influencer takes the fall if things go south. It's a global marketing strategy that exploits creators and consumers alike.
The doctor you follow on TikTok might be the only one telling you the truth. A new wave of doctor influencers is fighting back against the viral health misinformation that pollutes social media. From raw milk to anti-vax conspiracies, dangerous trends spread faster than facts. These doctors are using their platforms to debunk myths and provide evidence-based information, often facing intense backlash from believers and the wellness industry. But why is it so hard for the truth to win? Because there's no money in it. The alternative medicine and supplement industry is a multi-billion-dollar machine that profits from misinformation. They can afford to pay influencers, run ads, and create viral content. The doctors fighting back are often doing it for free, on their own time. It's a war for your health, and the side with the most money is winning.